Hi everyone, welcome to ViWizard's YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to add Deezer music to Serato DJ Pro or Lite. First, you need to know something important. Deezer does not work with Serato DJ. Right now, Serato only works with Apple Music, Beatport, BeatSource, SoundCloud, Spotify, and Tidal. Also, Deezer downloads only play inside the Deezer app. You cannot move those files to Serato. So, the only way to use Deezer music in Serato is through local files on your computer. To do that, you'll need ViWizard Streaming Audio Recorder. It lets you download Deezer music as audio files in CD quality. Here's how. Download and open ViWizard on your Windows or Mac. Go to Preferences. Set the output format, audio quality, and the folder where you want the file saved. Click the Deezer logo in the software to open the built-in Deezer player. Log into your Deezer account. Pick the songs, albums, or playlists you want. Click the plus button in the bottom right. Click Add to List. Then hit Convert. When the download is done, click the folder icon. You'll see all your tracks saved in the folder. The title, artist, and artwork are kept. Each track is saved in the format you chose. Now, let's add them to Serato DJ. Click the Files tab. Go to the folder with your Deezer files. Drag them into a crate to stay organized. Then, drag and drop them onto a deck to start mixing. Because these are local files, you can record your mix and save it. For more tips on DJing with Deezer, check out the full guide in the blog post linked below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.